Hola amigos! Let's talk about organizing all of those bookmarks today so that we can actually find what we need. We're going to focus on using Google Chrome as our browser. Let's get started. Here's my Chrome browser. It looks pretty organized, right? Let me teach you how to do that. Maybe your bookmarks look more like this, where you can't even read it because you have all these dots. And then when you click over, there's still a million other bookmarks. So how do we clean this up and make it easier? And how do we have as many bookmarks as possible on this bar here without having to scroll through these other bookmarks? The first thing you want to do is right-click somewhere here on your bookmarks bar. On a Mac, you'll press Control-click, and on a PC, you'll press Command-click. Click Add Folder. I'm going to title this Distance Learning Tools, and I'm going to abbreviate so that it doesn't take up too much space, and press Save. Now, it doesn't appear here because it automatically goes to the end of the list. So if I click on these extra dots here, it's on the side. I'm going to click on it and drag it over to the front of my list. And now I'm going to start moving some of these items by clicking on them and dragging them into the folder. And when I click on my Distance Learning Tools folder, everything I need is right here. Now you may notice that some of the bookmarks that were on my extra bookmarks list now popped over to my bookmarks bar because there's more space. So I'm going to continue making folders the same way. Right-click, add folder. I'm going to title this one School. And this is for all the websites I need. Attendance, signing up for subs, all that kind of stuff. And again, remember, it went over to the end here. So I'm going to grab it and move it up and then start dragging things over. So like, here's the HR website, here's the sub website, and I'm going to move it over. If you have other bookmarks in this other bookmarks area here, you can also click on these and drag them where you need to go. Now let's look at how to add new bookmarks and keep them organized. In Google Chrome, the easiest way to bookmark is to click on the little star in the URL bar. It's going to come up here with the name, and look how long this name is. Let's say I want this visible. I don't want it in a folder. I am going to click to put it on my bookmarks bar, but it's going to take up a lot of space. So instead, I'm just going to rename this to make it really small. And now here it is, taking up almost no space on my bookmarks bar. What if I already have a bookmark on my bookmarks bar and I want it to stay here, but it's really long and it's taking up a lot of space? All I have to do is right-click on the bookmark and press Edit. Here I can shorten the name. Press Enter, and there we go. It's taking up a lot less space. Here's a pro tip if you want to save even more space on your bookmarks bar. For things like your gradebook that have a favicon, which is this little icon next to it that automatically tells you what it is, you don't even have to type a name in there at all. Take a look at what I have for Gmail. There's no word next to here saying that this is my Gmail account, but I know that this symbol is for Gmail. So it's taking up almost no real estate whatsoever, and I can fit a whole bunch more on there. So I hope that helps. If you found this video helpful, I hope that you will subscribe because I put up new videos almost every Wednesday. And if you want tech tips sent to you every month, plus a Spanish freebie, sign up for my newsletter, which is linked in the description. Happy teaching!